with organized.
I feel check them and set. Them and set. Kind of low now. Can't you with the panel line with them? Pull them out, make we see.
iPad.
Give them a smile.
Yes, sir.
A scheme you think I forgot you.
Cooking at them. Chip, father chip.
Hold him, uncle. Hold him, uncle. Uncle Chip. Bomba!
Run.
Yeah man, so we're outside again this morning, you know? One fishing early, 6 months. So we're outside with rod fishing Jamaica and lifestyle with Kemar, you know? So on our Musa silent. You me?
Look at one, just looking at tool and kind of left.
Them two are there with organized.
I pay check them and set. Them and send to it. Pay check them and send to it.
You're going to murder them in their own vessel.
In their own vessel where I will kill them. And them beat with. I make them let me off and the deep blue and my swim come in.
I'm just looking at tool and I'm no more talking. Just looking at hand. Alright.
Them are going to stay in a two hand.
Just looking at hand.
Yo, thieves. Them are going to have in a hand. I will look.
I'm going to
swing in your hand. Because them are going to hold up in your hand. I'm going to stay in your hand. You see me? Them are going to stay in your hand. You see? Them are going to stay in your hand. Cool and redfish in Jamaica, man.
Come on, we out,
is
man.
It?
I'll beat and teeth.
Probably gonna catch nothing, you know.
Yo,
man.
the biggest thing we kill on them boat, you know.
That's how I'm sure about. Sure. Ball game. Fully ball game to that.
You man, drink up a little ginger beer, because you're gonna need it, you know.
It's too much not good, you know.
Yeah, drink up a ginger beer, because you're gonna need it, man.
Swim go out there and then pick up what the kind of confidence level kind of low now. Can't you with the panel line with them?
You like yourself, man. You're a young boy, man.
Hold it. I'm gonna know one full of so much chat, you know.
No, man, this is not a piece of shit alive, man.
Oh, man.
And you can't take out the soldier car, but we take you out in the south. Now we put some square in.
Never take them over this morning, man.
Alright.
Shout out on the giant vessel.
Yeah, man, go on in, can I kids, you know?
Yeah,
take on the time and go in. Kid.
Make sure you don't left nothing, you know.
Go on our boat, kid.
Dead.
Push out the kingdom.
Captain can't though.
Hold up, car.
Hold him up, he look like he nearly drop.
man.
Few
Some breast milk.
Oh, hold on, we left a box milk for Kyle.
What me igloo look? Show them now.
Yo, box milk.
Show them box milk, no man.
Your box milk, yeah.
What me igloo show them box milk.
Hold on, we can show them boy like.
Show them what? Take you.
Bomba!
Take you.
He left the box milk picture. He's serious, man.
No, man, Kyle Prony, you're afraid, brother. Yo, me personally love carry a best vitamin.
You say what a worm out?
You want some Zentel, man. And so, when I run bush on them again, already, you know, man.
Them man, yeah? I never know, sir. DJ come shine the pan. You see it, but we're going to see still.
Last time.
Well, so if you're not dopey, me kind of man in there and shut him out.
I don't know eyeglass.
Come, bite! Yo! Bite! In there!
See kingfisher, look on him.
The one that this we use. Radfish in Jamaica and, you know?
Life with
Camera. This then said they use Kill the King and wicked bar them, you know?
Sea tiger.
Oh, that's how that drop on, man.
That's alright.
No, you have to take up. Second soft,
Man got work last night, man. I'm tired.
You remember that time, Joe?
Yeah, my second never soft yet.
So, anyone sleep?
What?
Sleep on backside with us. We lay down.
My second.
I listen to this one. I try to cry about back.
Eat up on it, though.
Eat up.
I must eat up on shut up.
You know, eat up.
Oh, because we saying,
Sure.
feed them around this first, then knock out him and feed. Feed them around them, make it sense? Tired and feed.
I drink a suck of milk.
Yo, I should have a second to get them party, but this is we don't want to kill no half.
Brother,
I
I'm
am
going to drop
going
it, man.
This is we don't want to kill no half. I say, alright, I'm love you. I want to look a 3 foot pot on a bar.
I'm going to drop it, man.
You look a 3 foot pot, you second a bar.
I'm on the foot, brother.
You see me?
Worry yourself, man. Why are you
Save your, me can give,
Watch out.
sponge if you want. Can I give me sponge for something?
I tell me a bit.
Raw.
Rada!
Yo, babes, this a man I move shaky. But what you know? A scheme you think I can figure out your old scheme you live on a new one.
Man. Yeah, the scheme with the true, man.
The old scheme with them lick me better than the new scheme with them, you know, but you see me? But a scheming come from same way.
Scheming, you know?
Make it them no time.
Yeah, the man start off good for the drive.
Yeah, good.
You know,
It's like
boom, he just start moving a go slow.
The man then set the pot for one.
it's like him a do 100 meters in a 400.
Yo, one of those look.
He start off quick.
Yo, people, you wanna do 100 meter in a 400 meter race. You see me? That's what you a sprint, so.
When I start and I finish, you know, make sure you have endurance.
Oh,
You may have to.
yo, me firm, man. Firm. Yeah, man, come give me a strength in the car.
I'm gonna eat, you know, man.
Really, if you have duty.
Go and wipe yourself. Go and wipe
Yeah,
yourself.
man, you wipe up yourself.
That's it, you know, man.
Yeah.
Look how it is, scheme. Just look how it is.
What kind of no balance tonight, man?
I mean, the scene need active.
I second. You see man weak out and the man drop down and all of a sudden sitting there, don't know where you get the style from.
Oh God.
Yeah, I'm going to get my belly a bun, me.
Yo, show man a set no man.
Man, nah, set my yo.
God. See there? Then say a whole heap nice, and then say load out. No load out.
And I say load up, man.
One or a few.
Yeah man, see Queen Snapper, they want to take him up, I go see him. I depot want to take this up, this apart from. Queen halfy
I
nice.
said I must put down a couple more rope and see.
I carry about this one.
I'm get still. What? We go. You yourself, no man.
Good ears, sir.
Yeah, you go there, man.
Sure, uncle.
We are getting no man.
Boy, this big man up at
3 foot pot, man. 3 foot pot, you know.
yeah, I go and look at additions till the ground line, so I don't do them all that.
Down and see floor. Come back with fish.
That is it.
Ease up. Nah, ease up.
Yeah man, we are go on the next spot now. And then we go beat them on the ground line. So see, on the boat and move, line up with that boat. Next up we make there. See captain there. Soft like a butter.
Sauce over there.
The next one, I pay sleep, man, sleep, I pay help him dry pot.
Yeah, I want to
I'm
take it. Then the people say I want to skin you. Just put the camera for yourself. What's the name I want to skin you?
Then some people say me I want to scheme you out. Cool am out. You see, no care what them a say. And me I go be bomber today. Here. Just look on the camera, watch me. I'm out.
Stop your nice man and dry pod. Soft. I don't understand. Soft, you know.
Big Jack.
Big Jack.
Jack in a pot.
This man I don't know fishing brother, that snapper that brother like when you love. Snapper that. You know, everything this man I say a Jack.
Jack.
You love Jackie.
You loving Jack, man. Hey, snapper there.
Roll him out, make we see.
In a pot.
Jack in a pot. I'm talk to him good no man. Show him up in face, give him a smile.
Yes, sir, lad.
No Jack that. No ocean Jack that.
Mothers.
Nice, somebody Jack you.
Okay, what you have to say?
I was snapper in a pattern.
I'm going to find a name for him now.
Go for Kyle.
Yo, that Jack there. Thick.
Young man, the Jack that. Nice Jack man, you see it?
Yeah man, take him out man. Nice piece of Jack. Or 32. Big man, the pan size heavy. You know, it might be around 18 pounds. Sir. Overboard. All the scheme, yo.
Captain, I go on low. Outside, cooking at them chip, father chip.
Outside.
Fish on the spot and I want to test the ground line them. And when mats come now, feel a little one bite, little while.
Someone nervous. About the third time I'm a piss one in there, see. You never know say this possible. Fish on, you know? Fish on. Yeah, man, you're not going nothing. Fish on, you know?
I tell them, say me I get the first fish, you know, but they don't believe me.
Fish on, no man. Fish on. Let's make sure nothing on nippy. Hey, hey.
Answer back immediately, you know, that will do, you know. Instant, you know.
That no count, you know. That no count. That no count.
Just straight in the road.
That no count. Yeah, that no count. So stay about fish on, that no count. Fish on,
Fish
no
on. I know what to them, man. Fish on.
Fish on. Fish on. Double or nothing.
Fish on. They can't move.
Fish on, my boss. Rather bend. Let's make sure it's on.
Big snapper. Oh,
God bless.
God bless snapper.
Answer my rifle. Come off. Cha-cha.
1, 2.
Nothing when me hook no get to it.
Snapper. It's a mice now, I don't know.
Yeah, my boss.
See that?
Yo, he's kind of laughing, you know. He's kind of laughing. I say, what this man I come up with? I want to go on. What you run? I say, yo. Ratfish in Jamaica, what you say? Uncle Chip. Uncle Chip.
Straight now, me can hear him second time. Bring him up. When I feel like you want to look for it. Alright, man.
Alright. Stretch out in our plate. Yo, we have something.
Hold him, uncle. Hold him, uncle. Hold him, uncle. Hold him, Uncle Chip. Hold him, Uncle Chip. Hold him, Uncle Chip. Let's see how much up there. Yeah, call out too. Hold him, Uncle Chip. Hold him, Uncle Chip. Oh, what? Oh, my. Hold him, Uncle. Hold him, Uncle. Yes, sir. Talk to man, Uncle, man. What go on? What go on? Let me see. What him good, Uncle? Let me see. What him good, let me see. Yeah.
Don't come.
Seriously.
Don't come back. I'm going to cut your short. I'm going to be a friend of mine. Up with him. Oh man, them the alone that can't catch. A second time about you. Say no, you.
Yes, them are show. We are sure them.
Pass me milk when we came Sunday. Yeah man, you want some.
See milk here.
Sure bigger than
See milk here. Give it. Pass it, give it.
Take it up. Take up a fish. Take up a fish. Just make sure something bigger than this. Because I know that we have the bigger than this. And you need the milk. Give me milk, Kyle. Give me a box of milk. Take your milk. Take your box of milk. Because you need that. And that you need. Rather bend so. Or rather bend so.
Like a butterfish.
Or parrot.
Alright. I can't go into it.
Rather bend so.
Last bit, that. Yeah, man.
Oh, look a grunt for you.
Alright.
Cool, no, man.
Bring him man, bring him. I feel like white knee. Line the road.
I start with the one.
Yeah man, we don't throw white knee.
What do you do that white then?
Yeah, we
When them a bite?
Yeah, we
Hold him down, boss. Make sure no whitening, you know. Like a whitening, I not throw down white line, you know.
What?
Scheme you. Make sure no whitening. Let me see him. Where catch?
What it? I think I'm bored. That me up in there.
Alright, I'm not throw down white line.
with him.
What? A double.
Double.
Double pan them. What we going with too much, you know?
One my boss. Grunt. Come up with what you have now, uncle. Yes, sir.
Answer back in minute.
Answer back. Answer back. Answer back. Just make sure no whitening. Just make sure no whitening. Just make sure no whitening. Bring in a turbot. Just make sure no whitening, my boss. Yes, sir. Yes, my boss.
Man.
One Uncle Chip. Get away. Uncle, that big enough?
You're soft, man. Soft.
That's right.
Second. Take time and go up, you know, because current wicked. You see, I try to drop full line, but current a bit too bad. Yeah. Fish they have eggs, so they don't bite today. Life with Kemar.
Life with Kemar.
And rockfish in Jamaica. You see, nothing going for them today.
Where is the strong one? What am I planning to buy, guys? Land, we say. Land. Captain out door. Yeah man, nothing wrong with drop off a boat. Flick off a boat, man. The boss eh? Thank God in carrying back safe. One capper.
Yeah man, so forward back in, you know? And they are pack up now if we go home. You see it. Wasn't a bad day still, you see it, can catch few fish, but current deal with the rough, you know? The current did rough. You see it, current a draw hard. So you line them not really I get fair settle, you see them and wash away. But you still give thanks same way, you know? I have to give thanks.
How day was?
I'm not say a bad day because we have fun, you see, but dog day, you know?
Ah, it's so hot.
Uncle Chip.
Yeah man, yeah, return. As I say.
Yo,
Yeah.
you make chat about Jaffy on the boat when you
Love
catch
your
fish.
boss, man.
Jamie?
Yeah, so you not talk, you afraid of Jaffy, you know?
Yo, Javi, go fish off fire in the pan here. Jamaica done.
Yo, at this man we carry out one pot for them boy. I'm find one barrel and I panel land. I'm see them carry out as I'm tell them they have a better chance with the set pan land, but they don't believe me. They still wasting time water see with it.
Yes, I see it done.
It's done.